guys, welcome back to my channel Grishma Vlogs. This is Grishma. Hope you all doing well. I am also very good, and today I am going to do a video on the job opportunities for the agriculture graduates. I already made a video regarding this topic, agriculture graduates. I had covered some job opportunities in that video. That is a part 1. Now this is the part 2. I am going to cover some more job opportunities in this video, and now we'll be starting the video. The first job notification is the CRIPCO. CRIPCO means Krishak Bharti Cooperative Limited, and this CRIPCO headquarters is located in Noida, Uttar Pradesh. The post name in this CRIPCO is Field Representative Trainee. The age limit for this CRIPCO exam is 23 years, and the students who studied BSc Agriculture with 65% are eligible for this CRIPCO exam. And the pattern of this exam is, there is only single exam and interview. The pattern is 70 marks for agricultural knowledge and 30 marks for reasoning, quantitative aptitude, computer knowledge and general knowledge, and 100 questions, 100 marks, and the time allotted is of 120 minutes. There is no negative marking. And if we discuss about the salary is of about 4 to 4.5 lakhs per annum. And the very important notice for the job applicants is the CRIPCO notification has already released, and the students who want to apply for this exam, the deadline for this application is November 17th for the field representative trainee. And who want to know the other details about this exam, please visit the website of the CRIPCO. Now we will be discussing the second notification, that is NSCL, National Seeds Cooperative Limited. Under this National Seeds Cooperative Limited, we have 4 posts. They are Trainee Agriculture, Trainee Marketing, Trainee Agriculture Stores and Trainee Quality Control. We will be getting these 4 notifications under this NSCL. Now we will be discussing. The age limit for this NSCL is 27 years. Now we will be discussing about Trainee Agriculture. Trainee Agriculture, the exam pattern is 70 marks are from whole agriculture knowledge and 30 marks from quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, computer knowledge, current affairs and general knowledge. 100 questions, 100 marks and 120 minutes. And we'll be having the negative marking also, 1/4 mark. Knowledge in MS Office is mandatory for this post. And now the next post is Trainee Marketing. And for the Trainee Marketing also 70 marks are from whole agriculture syllabus. But the main part in this syllabus will be agriculture economics. The more portion and more questions covered from agriculture economics. And the 30 questions will be same as other, quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, computer knowledge, general knowledge, etc. And same 100 marks, 100 questions and 120 minutes, negative marking 1/4 mark. And for all these 4 posts, knowledge in MS Office is mandatory. And the third post is Trainee Agriculture Stores. In this also the 70 marks will be coming from the agriculture knowledge, and the main part will be from the entomology and plant pathology, and the 30 questions from quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, computer knowledge and current affairs. There is negative marking also 1/4 mark. And the final one, that is Trainee Quality Control. In this, the main portion will be of seed technology and the other 30 questions are of from same. This is the pattern for the Trainee Agriculture, Trainee Marketing, Trainee Agriculture Stores and Trainee Quality Control under NSCL. And the NSCL is one of the Miniratna status company. It was established by the Government of India in 1963. The head office for this NSCL is located in New Delhi. And the salaries for the post under this NSCL is 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. And if you have any further doubts regarding this notification, please visit the website. And now we will be discussing about the third job notification, that is FCI, Food Corporation of India. And the headquarters for this FCI is located in New Delhi, and it was established in the year 1964. The post name under this FCI is Assistant Manager Technical. And the pattern for this FCI Assistant Manager Technical is, it has 3 stages, prelims, mains and interview. And the prelims has 3 sections like quantitative aptitude, reasoning and English, 100 marks, 100 questions and only 60 minutes. And the mains has 2 papers, and the paper 1 is from numerical ability, quantitative aptitude, English, general knowledge, management and ethics, agriculture knowledge and etc. Those are of 120 questions, 120 marks and 90 minutes. And paper 2 is from related discipline, that is agriculture, botany and zoology. And the marks is 60 questions, 120 marks and 60 minutes. And the third stage is interview. And now if we discuss about the age limit and salaries for this Assistant Manager Technical under FCI, the age limit is of about 21 to 35 years and the salary is of about 5 to 6 lakhs per annum. And if you have any further doubts regarding this notification, please visit the website. And now we'll be discussing about the fourth job notification, that is Tobacco Board. The head office of this Tobacco Board is located in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. The post name under this Tobacco Board is Field Officer or Technical Assistant. The qualification for this Tobacco Board is the student should be of BSc Agriculture and also should attain the knowledge in tobacco cultivation and grading. And if we discuss about the age limit for this Tobacco Board, the age limit is 18 to 30 years. And if we come to the pattern for this exam, that is of single exam, the agricultural knowledge will be of 60 questions, 60 marks, and general knowledge 20 questions, 20 marks, and English will be of also 20 questions, 20 marks. Total 100 questions, 100 marks, and the time will be of 2 hours. And if we discuss about the salary will be of approximately 35,400 per month. And if you have any further doubts regarding this notification, please visit the website. And now we'll be discussing about the fifth notification, that is RRB, Regional Rural Banks. Under this Regional Rural Banks, RRB, we have 3 posts, 3 notifications. Those are Officer Scale 1 Assistant Manager, Officer Scale 2 General Banking Manager, and Officer Scale 2 Specialist Officer or Agriculture Officer. And this RRB will be also conducted by the IBPS only. Now first we will be discussing about the Officer Scale 1 Assistant Manager. And for this Assistant Manager post, the education qualification is any bachelor's degree, but the preference will be given for the agriculture, horticulture, forestry and agri-related courses, and the working knowledge in computer is desirable, and there should be proficiency in local language. And if we come to the age limit, age is of about 18 to 30 years. And if we come into the pattern for the exam, there are 3 stages: prelims, mains and interview. If we discuss about prelims, reasoning is of 40 questions, 40 marks, quantitative aptitude 40 questions, 40 marks, 80 questions, 80 marks, and the time is 45 minutes. And in the mains, we have quantitative aptitude, reasoning, general awareness, computer knowledge, Hindi or English language, 200 questions, 200 marks. And the next stage is interview. And there is a negative marking of 1/4 mark in the Officer Scale 1 Assistant Manager. Now we will be discussing the Officer Scale 2 General Banking Manager, and the education qualifications for this is any bachelor's degree, but the preference will be given for the agriculture, horticulture and forestry, agri-related courses, and the experience should be of 2 years in banking or financial institutions. The age limit for this Officer Scale 2 is 21 to 32 years. If we come to the pattern of the exam, this is of single exam. The pattern is reasoning, quantitative aptitude, computer knowledge, financial awareness, Hindi or English language, 200 questions, 200 marks and 120 minutes. There is a negative marking of 1/4 mark, and the students who are qualified in this exam will be promoted to the interview. And now we will be discussing about the third post, that is Officer Scale 2 Specialist Officer or Agriculture Officer. The education qualification for this is the student should be graduated under agriculture, horticulture, forestry or other agriculture related courses. There should be experience of 2 years in the relevant field, and the exam pattern is, the exam is of single exam, reasoning, quantitative aptitude, financial awareness, computer knowledge, English or Hindi language and the agriculture syllabus, 240 questions, 200 marks and 150 minutes. And the negative marking is of 1/4 mark, and the age limit for this Officer Scale 2 Agriculture Officer is 21 to 32 years. And the students who are qualified in this exam will be promoted to the interview. And if you have any further doubts regarding this notification, please visit the website. These are the job notifications which we have for the agriculture graduates. I have covered 5 notifications in this video, that is CRIPCO, NSCL, FCI, Tobacco Board and RRB. These are the main notifications for agriculture graduates. If you have any doubts regarding these notifications, please comment down in the comment box. I will be answering each and every comment, and I will be doing one more video also regarding these agriculture graduates, that is the part 3. I hope this video will be very helpful for all the agriculture students. Please do like, share and subscribe, and please do support my channel. Stay safe, be positive, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye.